This week we will meet Kim. Kim drives a cab. Kim picks up Nan, Sam, and Dan. Where are they going? Can Kim's cab get them there? We will have to learn some words and skills before we read so we can find out what these characters do. Let's learn some new words that we will see a lot in books and use in our writing. The first word is are. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Are. Are. How are you today? Say the word again after me. Are. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. A, R, E. The letters A, R, E stand for the sound R. Repeat after me. R. R. Now skywrite the word are. A, R, E. Try to write it without looking. A, R, E. Are you ready for the next word? The word is buy. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Buy. Buy. We buy food at the supermarket. Say the word again after me. Buy. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. B-U-Y. The letters U-Y stand for the long I sound. I. Blend with me. B-I. Buy. Now skywrite the word buy. B-U-Y. Try to write it without looking. B-U-Y. Are you ready for the next word? The word is little. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Little. Little. The little boy couldn't reach the high shelf. Say the word again after me. Little. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. L-I-T-T-L-E. The letter I stands for the short I sound. I. The letters L-E stand for the sound ul. Blend with me. Ul, I, t. Ul. Little. Now skywrite the word little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Try to write it without looking. L-I-T-T-L-E. Are you ready for the next word? The word is said. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Said. Said. His mom said we could come over later. Say the word again after me. Said. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. S-A-I-D. The letters A-I stand for the short E sound. Eh. Blend with me. S-E-D. Said. Now skywrite the word said. S-A-I-D. Try to write it without looking. S-A-I-D. Are you ready for the next word? The word is two. Repeat the word after me. Two. Two. There are too many people in the elevator. Say the word again after me. Two. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. T-O-O. The letters O-O stand for the long U sound. Ooh. Blend with me. T-oo. Two. Now write the word two. T-O-O. Try to write it without looking. T-O-O. Are you ready for the next word? The word is up. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Up. Up. The kite flew up into the sky. Say the word again after me. Up. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. U-P. The letter U stands for the short U sound, Blend with me. Up. Now skywrite the word up. U-P. Try to write it without looking. U-P. Are you ready for the next word? The word is will. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Will. Will. She will braid my hair tomorrow. Say the word again after me. Will. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. W-I-L-L. The letter I stands for the short I sound, I. Blend with me. W-I-L. Will. Now skywrite the word will. W-I-L-L. Try to write it without looking. W-I-L-L. Are you ready for the last word? The word is you. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. You. You. How are you? Say the word again after me. You. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. Y-O-U. The letters O-U stand for the long U sound, oo. Blend with me. Y-oo. You. Now skywrite the word you. Y-O-U. Try to write it without looking. Y-O-U. Now let's read all the new words we learned together, starting on the first line. Are, by, little, said, to, up, will, you. Good job. Let's play with the sounds in words. Listening for the sounds in words can help you learn to read and write words. Today you are going to listen for the sounds I say in chunks or parts. I will say a picture name in 2 chunks. First, I will say the beginning, and then I will say the rest of the word. You will blend the beginning chunk with the rest of the word to say the whole word. For the first one, I will give you a hint. Look at picture 1 and listen to the 2 chunks of this word. B-L. I can blend the 2 chunks to say the word. B-L. B-L. Bell. The word is bell. Now you try it. I will say the name of one of these pictures in 2 chunks, the beginning and the rest of the word. You will blend the word chunks and say the word. Then you will point to the number next to the picture that matches the word. Listen. Up. What's the word? Cup. What is the number next to the picture that matches the word? 3. Very good. Let's try some more words. Ease. What's the word? Peas. What is the number next to the picture that matches the word? 6. Oat. What's the word? Boat. What is the number next to the picture that matches the word? 2. Hay. What's the word? Hay. What's the number next to the picture that matches the word? 5. And 8. What's the word? Gate. What's the number next to the picture that matches the word? 4. Great job. We can also blend sounds to say words. Look at the tiles on the screen. Each tile represents one sound in a word. I will say the sounds in a word, and you will blend the sounds to say the word. You can look at the tiles to help you follow along as I say the sounds and then blend. Listen as I do the first one. A, N. rain. D-I-G, dig. H-I-M, him. R-A-N, ran. Very good. Now let's talk about the letters G and K. Goat begins with the G sound. The G sound can have different spellings. One spelling for the G sound is just the letter G. Look at the spelling that is circled under the picture of the goat. G. Now look at the word G-A-P, gap. Remember, G is a consonant, A is a vowel, so it can stand for many sounds, and P is also a consonant. When there is only one vowel in a word and it is followed by a consonant, what sound does the vowel usually stand for? The short vowel sound. Blend the word with me. G-A-P, gap. Kangaroo begins with the K sound. The K sound, the K sound, can have different spellings. One spelling for the K sound is just the letter K. Look at the spelling that is circled under the picture of the kangaroo. Look at the word kit. K-I-T. Kit. Remember, K is a consonant, I is a vowel, so it can stand for many sounds, and T is also a consonant. When there is only one vowel in a word and it is followed by a consonant, what sound does the vowel usually stand for? The short vowel sound. Blend the word with me. K-I-T. Kit. Now we're going to blend the letters in line 1 to read a word. The first letter is G. G. When there is only one vowel and it is followed by a consonant, the vowel usually stands for its short sound. Let's slide over to the next letter in line 2 and blend the two sounds. G, A, ga. Now let's blend all the letters together in line 3. Ga, s. Read it with me. Gas. We have already learned to read words with short I vowel sound. Let's practice spelling them some more so we can use them in our own writing. Now we are ready to read about Kim, Nan, Sam, and Dan in a story called Cab, Cab. You are also going to be reading the story Go Big Cab. It also has Kim, Nan, Sam, and Dan in the story. Now you're going to go practice writing your lowercase g's and your lowercase k's in your journal. Start on the dotted line and go all the way down to the bottom line for your g's. Don't forget your finger space. And you're going to write a whole row of lowercase g's. On the next line, you're going to write a whole row of lowercase k's. You start on the top line and go straight down. Then you go at the dotted line, in and out. Finger space, pull down, start at the dotted line and go in and out. Finger space, start at the dotted line and go in and out. I'm going to write a whole row of lowercase k's and g's, take a picture of it, and upload it to your teacher. Now you may go read your stories in Ed on Class Link.